Hey, what's up? What's it?
Excuse me, what is that?
What is what? What is what? What's when you're going to mention me?
What's your problem?
What's my problem? Me and your fault to Ada, and your fault to Precious. You don't have shame.
I've caused myself harm. For someone like you to even come and talk about me.
At least I've not slept with two brothers.
Oh, come on.
I've not slept with two relatives, okay? And then you can what's this apple class?
Sam, the reason you're standing here.
I was waiting for you.
Oh, you have time.
I enough time. I have enough time. Many wama. Hey,
when you and wama. Seer, do you think we've all not seen you in this school?
Seen me.
Different guys. Do you know the number of relatives you might have slept with that you don't even know of?
That's why you said relatives, and then I don't sleep with my relatives.
How would you know?
Because you don't stay with me. Do you stay with me?
You even sleep with random people. One night, you just meet them today and sleep with them. How do you know whether they have relatives or not?
At least they are not related.
You
Unlike you, Precious.
Listen, let me advise you. I think you should stop schooling and that your part-time prostitution job, make it a full-time job.
Part-time prostitution?
Oh yes.
You call that part-time prostitution?
Oh yes. Or is that
going around sleeping with relatives? I didn't call you prostitutes. Like what? Hey,
do you know you can't even talk?
So you can see them and then talk to them. You're okay. I really feel sorry for you.
Oh yeah, I feel sorry for myself and yourself.
Sorry to say, but Papa.
That's what I just called you.
No, that's what you are. You are describing yourself.
I didn't know, what to do. And it was a mistake.
You knew it.
And there are two people.
You knew it.
You know your body count.
Like you can just see.
Your body count will just be around like 1,000. Am I right? Or it's more than that?
Take that aside. They are no relatives. Okay.
Come on.
They are not related to each other.
Seer.
So you can't tell me that.
Listen.
You are a prostitute. And it's clearly showing in your face.
If anyone will talk about my issue, I don't think you are the rightful person to also come and involve yourself in this issue. Rightful person?
Yes. Rightful person?
Yes. Because the things you have done, you don't have any right to talk about me.
That's what I'm saying.
That is why
whatever I've done, I never ended up with like relatives or anything. I'm cautious. Like I'm really careful. You get it? Unlike you.
You know that when
intentionally sleeping with relatives.
Listen, I'm the reason you're here, right? So let me talk. You want to listen to me? You want to listen to my amazing voice?
I just came here to tell you just cover up, use books, reading and things. You want who you think?
Alright.
God.
Alright. If anyone says it, I get hurt. By you, I'm not even hurt. Because it's your daily job.
I can see you are hurt.
I'm not.
You are just trying to be okay.
Oh, I'm not even
trying. And then I know you better than anybody. We used to be best friends.
Oh, yes, we used to be.
So I know you used to be. When you are faking, when you are pretending to be someone
I'm so glad we are no more friends.
I'm way better. Like I'm okay.
You're way better.
I've healed.
Way better.
You've not healed.
See, you have this on you. See, you are not emotionally healed. You are not physically healed. You are not healed. Go back to your prostitution. You will not hear a prostitute.
Okay, let me take my clothes off.
Oh, there's no need for that.
That's when you think I
There is
belong,
no
alright?
need for that.
Hey! Bottle water. I didn't pure water see anything. Hey, go back. What is wrong?
She is not okay. Whoa. Don't touch me.
Let's go inside. Sorry. Let's go inside. Let's go inside.
Aroma.
Let's go. Hey!
Say Black.
Say.
Asama baby say akamu no kura me. Hey, school nurse. Ehia me no bi same Adam Scanty ne Aroma. Ho asem. Say what say omu free the same father. Omu enuano. And a day kasa asem we no. No school nurse ni ho. Ye free on some no ye bo bia no say mam ye mfasa asem we ma out. Ni dey ni mu ne yenka. Then the school nurse stay. Huh?
Say, really, me sorry. Actually, we were having a tete-a-tete, and then it popped up. I didn't intentionally mean to tell say MK.
You were having tete-a-tete and it came.
Yes, sir.
What tete-a-tete were you having?
You didn't come about the progress of the school. In Tinamekra Maker say, say the headmaster, what boama school for no more 1990 beam. Na so science na be kire omo no omu nyina omu ti nti ye kan
no, don't take me there. What does this get to do with somebody's family affairs?
Oye na okase Aroma ne Scanty ohwa omu sepa na ka jense
Jai. Are they also me akola na and I also me huru manim koso. Say Black. What could you conquer? I can't tell you what you conquer. Say Black, we are from Musuba Ibio. Who's a kind of nice gentleman?
Be the mean yes ada.
When you talk okay.
Mano ne fumi. Manyama dwe se meka.
Oh, there be we am incensed from. No conquer when you baba 50 edi conquer ene. Dear pa na I when you on the life.
No say.
I
don't want to be like Baba.
You don't want to be like Baba, but you are practicing.
No, I'm not. You didn't come on and say e p film by. Manyama dwe se meka me ko wi na menum say yi Baba.
No one has some name Baba ka some children.
That was the mistake I made, sir. I'm very sorry.
Sorry for yourself. Look at you. Aren't you ashamed of this?
I'm very sorry, but I think we can find a way of burying the hatchet.
Which way? Tell me. Give me the way.
I can call him and then I'll tell him all I said was a prank.
May God forgive you.
Amen.
Say Black. Baba ka some children. Baba na no Baba ye ka some children.
Say yina student school for wa hanu mo a yina students in so it's immediately
students so baba no we students one student plan we hwe no teacher for some different from a school nurse asem
say
only no go dis an common
eye no tin sempa o tin semtin obi o school mo no
enya mo na mo den sem commonality enya asem enya na de come an kote ye obi na de come an kote ye enya na de come an kote ye mama nkancho boy ne papa wanya na adwo so oba be sele no hu school mu ha ene se mma ye nso wunim se no siti wo tesa asem wi a meka se wa na okan
se ne se be mai mai makuntokwa
ono obako na de so so ono obako na okan
mai de bi hu
so ono obako na okan
say it hasn't got to die stems so we
say baba spread ne enya ne dey baba spread ene ni nyina so firi enti ba meka che baba say meka che se mma ye say asem no de ya baba ti ni firi
no say
so next time ya de obedwen
say you can brush it off with my
with my
kana say my kotia asem you know say there's going to be a feud between me and you on me miss me
won penesa na nka wanye ni otifia duru won penesa nka wanye
say I'm having a running stomach. I want to visit the small room.
Ubenya walking stomach etonko School will be a good beer on the baby shano or yassi. Will be a good beer on the baby shano or yassi. I send Bill Crane. Baby, I said, Baquan business being free school. How? What means so winning Yansaka Kranos? How are you crime wrestling at Tintin? Jimmy say, yeah.
Hey, oh, me take opportunity be now in the anyhow with school my what. This is original many of them. See ya point original many of them.
Do you know why I had to call you?
And no yana me uncle Mauska. Huh?
I don't cause it's Scanty now.
Then yes ska dey no me no. Would you me gina obi ska provision ska problem me kwan me me nipa.
I don't want 100 cedis.
Eh. Then what's in your school cause it's Scanty na me gina o. Na 100 cedis na dey there. Yes am. Huh?
Me asem no yawo.
Una hu hia o. Benko.
What on ego one thing I'm beka share. What's our kuma?
Me madam na me go abonten.
Then 100 cedis I'm control.
See as I can skasema me no like den.
But sir. Me hu asempi. Me hu like man tell me hu ye. But Jedi said precious nature.
What me kasa ba unje mi mu.
But Jedi said precious never mother so date.
So.
Mommy come on some in your class. Aroma and Precious, they are still in a relationship. They are dating. Now me when I'm back at trouble be flexible.
I am Precious. That's not that dating. Then I ask now. I don't want Precious on bed and date.
Nah, some of me no come at some way here for. One year Roman. Me boy. Next o girl on the one you be my date number catch her wow. Catch me saying.
Yeah, then I hu mo bi omo gina wa.
Me na me ba o na me hu ye.
When no more there.
Many Precious and Yan talk na romantic him aside. I mean, yes, but he's a bit taking aside, but then he didn't. I'm not going to taking aside. Who say, "Oh, the Precious are turning boots on our doing stuff for funny."
Oh boy, hey, you are just talking out of jealousy.
Jealous.
Because your ex and one who say,
and you think if I was jealous, I'll be here laughing. I'm not even jealous.
How did they touch each other? Did they hug?
Oh, the not on the boss for doing stuff for funny thing.
One didn't say for her.
Aroma.
Not Precious on Swahili.
Precious I did no. Oh yeah, goodness.
Aroma, me no but who say me kuna nke.
Who couldn't say?
Like Aroma titi.
I don't need me on intermission. We don't even know how to come and tell you because we are not cool.
I just
I'm 100 cedis one man, no baby stressing me.
Don't you think if I add maybe some poisonous substance in his gari or do it to be
that one is up to you. Don't go and stand somewhere and tell them anybody that Seer told you to do this, Seer told you to do this. I didn't tell you to do anything.
He's your ex, so he's your ex and he's my enemy. So we can just put our cloth together. It's me into my barn.
Oh, that one I don't care. The only thing I can do for you is maybe more in front of my miska. Because you say me here's Kakrasino. So try and do something about it. Sit your girlfriend down and talk to her. Why? But your friend and my wow.
No more Jafro, me send a material.
Aroma nyonya.
Aroma yeminia, na so ne oba date am ni date ya. Me wiase na mo no se me ma me kra na me pe na me ni be twempena. Nti se me no oba twempena no ne me nua twempena me fam.
I know you are talking out of jealousy. Look at your face.
I'm talking out of jealousy. I really mean my words.
It's all over your face. Or the local girls deal. My mom is my information minister. Mom, then pay me being your own. You are not getting it. Me catch me, mom. Me from my mom. See, dear, mom. 10 cedis, mom. 1 10 cedis, mom. You're not 20.
Oh, take the money. Take the money.
If I hear anything, I'll come and tell you again. I'll catch my mom. Police got before. So now I know again.
Yeah, I'm in Pankwan, I mean, the parties they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Brosso with Maya. Me, person me come any months, I drum Maya.
Adi Krabena. Hey.
Yeah.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm very fine. What about you?
I'm doing good.
Okay.
You kept me waiting.
Oh, sorry, I was doing something for my senior.
Hey. And it took you almost 30 minutes.
For me.
You could have simply tell her you can't come. Just.
Oh, but she told me to come. I can't say I won't come. I'm sorry. It won't happen again.
You don't know why I'm calling, so at least you should have given me that respect.
Oh, senior, I'm
You
sorry.
should have given me that respect as a senior calling. You don't know why I'm calling.
That's what I'm saying. I'm sorry. I've said sorry for like.
Okay. You don't worry. You know.
Okay.
Your name again, Akiti.
Akiti.
But Akiti is not your real name.
Oh, I like Akiti. Call me Akiti. I'm a visual student.
You're a visual student.
Yeah, I'm also an artist.
So I should call you
I'm also an artist. So call me Akiti.
Ah, okay. Yeah. Okay, no problem. So you know something.
Okay.
You see,
what are you looking for?
Oh no, I'm just trying to. You see, you are a very nice lady on this campus.
Of course.
Yeah, and everybody likes you. But you see, I've not talked to you on this campus before.
Oh yeah, never.
Or I've not had any interaction with you on this campus before. And with all due respect, I want you to do me a favor.
A favor, I say.
Yeah, a favor, and I know you are the only person who can do this for me because you are the only person who can keep secrets on this campus. And I don't want anybody to know about this.
Oh, don't worry.
Yeah,
I
hope you know this ice cream, Levi's Cup.
Hey, this ice cream.
It's a very nice ice cream that all these students.
I know. When I was coming, I bought some.
Okay, it's a very nice ice cream. I went to buy one and I'm not going to give it to you though, so don't be happy when I'm coming, but don't be talking.
So why am I here? You're showing me the ice cream. You're going to give it to me.
Yeah, I'm showing the ice cream, but I'm not going to give it to you. That's why I said you shouldn't be in a rush.
Oh, sorry, sir.
I want you to give it to someone for me. I want you to give it to someone for me at the girls' hostel. She's your senior.
My senior.
That fair lady, Precious.
Oh, Sister Precious.
Sister Precious, yeah.
And I'll chop some. Oh, she's my real Gina.
But just go and give it to her.
If
she gives you some, that's fine. But don't eat it yourself.
Don't worry. I got you.
Yeah.
I'll give it to her. Don't worry.
Because you know this ice cream is very nice and affordable. So.
How many? How many do you buy?
That one you don't mind.
Sorry.
Never mind.
Sorry,
okay.
Sir.
So just go and give it to her. Just tell her her love of her life.
Her love of her life.
Yes.
Like the air she breathes.
Exactly.
Oh wow.
Her other kidney.
Her other kidney. You're not the main one. The other one.
The other kidney.
We have two kidneys. Sorry,
yes.
sorry.
And her only liver.
And who? Hey. I'll add juice to it. I'll add spice to it.
Yes. Her only heart.
Don't worry.
Scanty.
I'll write a letter for her. Don't worry.
Scanty. Said
Scanty.
You should bring her.
Should I ask senior Scanty or just Scanty?
Just Scanty. I don't like that part.
Oh, okay.
Said you should bring her this ice cream.
This.
From Levi's Cup.
So that we eat together.
No.
To eat together.
For her to enjoy it alone.
How would I get side she's going to enjoy it alone?
Maybe you can just you can just let her give you some, just a taste, but don't eat it with her.
I'm sorry.
If you're able to deliver this safe, I'll buy you yours.
Senior. Senior. Senior, thank you.
But please, let this be between the two of us.
Oh, you don't have anything to worry. It's between us.
And make sure you deliver
Our
it.
biggest secret. Don't worry. I'll keep it for you.
How can I trust you?
Trust me. Trust me.
Do like this.
I should do like that. My mother didn't teach me that.
Say me don't.
Me don't. I love God.
No,
everybody
do
loves
like
God.
this.
I should do this and do it.
And do this.
Ask me, body out.
Just do it for me.
Is that it?
Yeah, I trust you now.
Okay.
So.
Hey. Senior, what's it? Oh, senior.
Fademo be
baby.
Na
me share you. We be na bomb shenchen. Me hu. Me come on, don't worry. Jimmy dear, what are they small mess?
Ice cream no bomb shenchen.
Say in case you say you can never tell.
Sem na about.
I say mumbai kafa. Sorry.
Just give it to her, okay?
All right, sorry.
And give this to her. Do like this, give it to her.
Hey. Wow.
Don't touch that plate, just deliver it to her.
I just. That's all.
Yeah.
Don't.
Yeah.
You don't that.
No, don't.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
I'll do that for you.
Okay.
So,
thank you.
Is that all?
Yeah, I said if you're able to deliver it.
If I'm able to. I'm going to deliver it right now.
Just finish your assignment.
Yeah.
Just finish.
Say ya, na mo trade. Yes, I'll say ya, na mo trade. Oh, ya ne preko. Because ya ne preko. Senior. Hey, guy.
Okay, go and give it to
this year. Matty. Make correct.
Okay. Take care, okay.
Me take care, me call.
Tia say.
Mommy, give me pizza. Mommy, give me burger. you are the Mianipa. Yeah. Boy, we're funny. Hey, I friend me, Miss Amazing Goto. Me. I trust you. You trust me. Yes, you cried in front of you, my trust me. Trust you about me. Hey, let me say, you dear, yes, and taste ice cream. Are you? I did go some school. Yes, you got. Boy, I don't again go to be the quite and Cynthia. Go to be the cause, boy, hey, in fact, me castle my you. Me taste, me fat taste, get out, mammy. Yeah, the sound to you. Shebra is suffer ready. This is some shebre. The media is bad. The eyes. Every phone. I mean, chant media is over. Hey, go. Android. A day, bitch. Chant media is over. When you're married. Yeah. You didn't need chat. Shanima. Content. What's what quantity me flavor? Hey. What's that? Pakoma precious. Hey. Senkos. Yes, serious. Many be my life and seriously. Come get me. Aroma.
Hey, don't touch me. Talk. What is it? Huh? Why?
I'm really disappointed in you. You came to meet me and Precious. We were arguing and then you had to take Precious' side. Oh, Mom, your ex for Christ's sake.
I'm your what?
Ex-girlfriend.
You are my ex what? Hey, do you see yourself as my ex? Seer? Huh? I don't even see you as my ex. You're not even my ex, Seer. If you're talking about exes here, Precious is my ex, not you. Hey, you can't see me and Precious fighting and I'm on Precious side. Hey, come and go my side. What did you expect me to do?
You should have taken my side.
Your side? Why? Huh?
Because I'm your current ex.
You are my current ex. Aren't you ashamed of yourself, Seer? You're not ashamed. Now you see how Precious is broken. Realizing, say, she has dated two guys. They are brothers, right? Let me put it that way.
I'm going to talk about that.
You see how she's broken. And no crana any intentional, you see how broken she is. And you were there. You were there. I don't know. See ya. Don't compare yourself to that girl.
She's broken, but she wasn't even admitted to the hospital. When I got sick, you didn't come to see me.
I didn't come to see. See, I have nothing to do with you. Hey, don't touch me. Again, don't touch me. You can talk, but please don't touch me. Is it what you like, Seer? Is this what you like? Look at what you're doing with your life, Seer. And please, don't ever compare yourself to Precious because you are nowhere near her.
Aroma.
And then you should be my side or then.
What she did was a taboo. That one cries. It's called prostitution. Why are you taking this? I didn't even do anything.
It's called what? Prostitution. Oh, Seer. Oh, good. Now you know definition for prostitution, right? Seer, can you define it to me? We are someone now you don't call that as prostitution. Huh? You are related to every single guy on this planet and you think that is not prostitution. Huh? Precious me dating me Adams now own name say you call that as prostitution. Well, yeah. And that's the good part, and that's good.
So you should have taken my side. Next time, take my side. We can still be cool.
Leave me, please. Please. I don't want to go back to that cells. I don't want to go back. Okay, go. Is that what you stopped? Huh? Is that why you stopped me? This nonsense? Huh? Why? Why do you call me?
You look good.
I look good. Okay, thank you.
And I'm still sick.
You're still sick. Speedy recovery.
Aroma.
Hey!
Aroma.
Why do you keep doing this?
What have I done?
This is like the 4th time. Why?
Why are you acting strange?
You just get over something.
Precious, I thought all this drama was over.
What was over? This is over.
But you accepted my ice cream. From ice cream, man.
Which ice cream? Don't touch me. Which ice cream? Are you dreaming?
But you just took my ice cream just yesterday and you are acting
I
this way.
took your ice cream. Scanty, whoever you gave your ice cream to, go and take it. Because I didn't get any ice cream for you. And I don't think if I had gotten any ice cream, I would have... I don't know. I wouldn't have been taking it. No, I don't even want to have this conversation.
Don't pretend because...
What?
I gave the ice cream to that friend to give it to you and...
Which ice cream?
She even came back to tell me that you accepted it in a...
Then go and take your money or your ice cream because I don't have any ice cream of yours.
Precious, I bought some special ice cream. I bought some special ice cream for you.
Do you actually think I would have taken your ice cream? Oh, unless the girl came to tell me that she bought it for me herself or something. Cause from you, come on.
Oh, Precious, tell me you are lying, or maybe you are just pretending.
You should know better, Scanty. You should know better. I wouldn't take anything from you at this point. I wouldn't take anything from you.
Let's just put the ice cream issue aside. I know you took it, but let's assume you didn't take it.
I didn't take anything. I didn't take anything, Scanty.
Because you can't reject anything from me.
Why can't I?
The Precious I know cannot reject anything from me.
I cannot. Then I have and will always reject. I didn't get anything. Nobody came to me for me to even get the chance to reject.
Precious, then it means you are very serious about this. You are very serious about ending things with me.
This is like the 4th or 5th time. You should know that I'm serious. You should know that I'm dead serious, Scanty.
Precious, if you don't change your mind or if you don't accept me back, I'm not going to stop disturbing you in this school.
Then you can continue until the police come for you that you are harassing me.
Yes, and I'll also tell them you are hurting me. We're all going to the cells together.
Okay.
Also, we're all going that because Precious, you know I love you. Like, why should you count yourself out of my girls? You are 3. If you count yourself out, how can I manage this too? And you know I used to love you more than them.
I think you should go for a checkup. I think some part of your brain has been taken off. Because I don't think you are thinking straight these days. You can't be in front of me and talking to me about 3 other girls. Are you normal, Scanty?
Not 3, 2 other girls, including you 3. And you know them already, it's not something new. So why should you use the opportunity to insult me? Huh? Precious, come on.
Hey, I always tell you not to touch me, please. Filthy guy. Don't be touching me. I don't even know why I'm wasting my time here talking to you. Always.
Precious, you call me a filthy guy today.
Aren't you?
The filthy guy you gave a kiss.
So? You've been with 3 girls. I don't know the number of girls out there that you even have. So it makes you filthy. Yeah, disgusting. Don't ever get closer to me anymore. Please.
For me, being with 3 girls makes me filthy.
Yes. You can say whatever you want to say. You are with 3 girls at the same time. Please. Let me be.
Precious. At least, even if your love has reduced for me, you should give me that same respect you were giving to me way back as Scanty. Huh?
I'm even giving you respect standing here. Because the normal me would have just packed. Scanty, don't touch me. I don't like that. See? Do you want to hurt me?
Precious.
Do you want to hurt me? Stop that. It's not nice. You can't be a trash and be touching clean things.
Do you really mean your words?
Yes.
Dirty things go for dirty things. Don't be dirty and decide to come for clean things.
Precious, for me, coming down doesn't mean I'm dumb or I'm stupid.
You are.
If you joke, I'll show you the other side of me. Hey.
Scanty, don't hit me.
Scanty,
don't hit me.
Am I a dirty guy to you?
Scanty, don't hit me. Scanty, stop it! Scanty! Oh, let's worry. Ew. Nasty. Scanty!
Hey, Akete. It's for the. Oh no, I what?
Trust me. Chimidi. I will deliver.
Hey, that's my female version of one. Hey! Why would you nigga be an friend of one and that's happy? G. Oh, you're very good, very calm. Oh, that day to.
I spoiled that give you.
Oh, you spoiled that. You spoiled that.
You don't trust me anymore.
I can think I'm a fraud baby now. No.
You saying some cash again? If again, one more to one now. What is it?
How? Honestly, no kind of I say.
Why say you know? Kutana, you know.
Oh.
What? Lie down.
I'm not so bad me credit. Oh,
but for now, can't get them. Can be count.
Oh,
but see, on to now what? Say be a person that I know who would die in him. You can't ever for quab of Neka. For quab of Neka. See now, you're good. They don't trust me. Are they? But it's when I am.
Just how you good.
Sneer men fuck with to soon. May I have some your shirts?
What the same. You did a very good job.
Good job.
And I really thank you very much. I really appreciate it.
Oh, you have to thank me, though, but don't thank me like that too. See, I'm caution me away.
Yeah, Kitty. Oh, Prina, but my order, Mommy, for a crab, but delivery guy no crowd there, but we see one of Panina.
Look me.
Yeah.
You look me finish.
Yeah, look me finish.
Oh, Dada. Mr. We are Dada. What can't them the dead, the cushion, my co, my dream name, cushion, my commission, what I in. I
get to miss so be a Dada.
I don't trust me.
I trust you.
I said, because I don't trust me.
Oh, me trust you. Be under that will be.
I mean, Dada.
Send me so be a Dada. So be a Dada. Oh, I get it. I get it.
Me serious. Me serious. Me Dada, why? Now you want for a bam and chain. Me Dada, a bam and chain. Oh,
when I'm schooling, I didn't know you were such a nice lady. Oh, Charlie.
In control.
I really like your vibes.
Oh.
And I really appreciate that thing you did for me.
In control.
So I just want you to give this one to her again.
Another one.
Yeah, another one. So the eggs will be 2.
So
I ordered 2 eggs from Accra. Accra Mall.
First one here 2. And our first one here 1.
First one here 2.
Actually,
First one here 2. The second one will also come on 2. 4 eggs.
4 eggs. 4 eggs.
Double DM you know na koko DM.
Oh sir. 4 eggs.
4 eggs, yeah. Tina, just go and give this to her.
I just give it to her.
Yeah, just give it to her.
Just
that not the man on how she was reacting.
Hey, she was happy. Hey. I'm not feeling you. You know, catch it again. Hey. When I also me check our West, no. Me West again, no.
So the way the man on us because you are not crowd here, some welcome you like some sort of appreciation.
Mami who action. Because I from
oh, you need na mami we. Right, action. Jennifer command. Right.
I'm sorry.
Would that be me?
Maybe my yidim.
Now they come
and say, oh, I don't say feelings, so many feeling more. If I say back when I use the same thing, as a young guy, also increasing on. There was a more drug. Oh, dear, about me. And I only do.
But some more in school.
Mammy ding.
Von Wa.
Von wants to say,
I'm see a female version of Von.
Oh, right.
It was a Poku. It's Von.
But Von one in there.
Oh, man, I'm a dear mouth. Why? Into who guy, and a later one guy named friend of Von, I bet you say. No, but who saw a female version of Von? What is a wow?
Or short.
I won't shut on your short by
now.
Okay, cannon and no credit money now to say,
besties.
Yes, it's a command. Why?
Senior.
Hey, we are roll for.
Oh, senior. My roll, senior. What's a Mitchell? Oh. Madi me manu, I'm diva.
Into the man.
Brofono. Let the mama in kakum.
We can look at the union as my peg except for man.
Sir. But me say
no them boy to man.
Not chino. No you say. Aje, what just it?
I mean precious.
Then I make a sabre. Ah, Jimmy D, trust me. To no man why. No, I'll deliver it. Ah, so Jimmy D. Me manu. That's why you do.
Hey, one no.
Senior. That bow. No man.
Oh, I was it.
Sorry.
Okay.
Se unya bona se boneta. Boni ma boni mto.
Pra bona jwa. Eh, ona bonza. Ai. Ona de boy ehuna mani. Yeah, made. The same thing. And I told them yana. I saw told me flavor on coin. What had there come obi? Be any flavor. Or table me at the near way. But you, I'm sorry, no small boy, no. Wasn't them so in Iddi? Gary as sugar some. It was me, dear me. Mention and did the me doing no mass one my fine. Did you be not the action? Mammy for the queen. Small mache. In fact, this train card one thing. Me the answer. We more can piece. Bagon in it. Can I'm fancy na mucha. Like I said, me boa. Yeah. You na obi abishebi. So last I'm gonna mo restaurant could eat. Yes, you the ice cream. Yeah, I sell. I didn't get to be. I think it's web say. Say. Hey. If never. You see, I'm blue. And that's not yet the house, and I say, taste not different. Hey! Scanty, when you're serious. I think I'm Scanty. Precious. Oh, I don't know. There be a hard see. The man never do, and I'm got. You can't do my work on Chibasa, Chibasa. 05068. If a number, because we are there. Let me add. You are good. I mean, yes, dear. So let me too, wife, you know. But, but I'm very stupid, though. And I'm going to say, I'm very stupid. Because, imagine, what's mommy? Is it again to cry? What's mommy? Now could do. Order me dinner, see, or me dinner, I now could do. See, Ashton again, you don't miss I now could do two of some. As I'm second one. And I need to look, maybe I'm from when I'm about the mirror. Nobody else. A precious guy. That one guy, fine girl. I say, hey, I could say, if for me, see, 2 weeks, bundle 2 weeks to go. I don't know, I'm sorry, some here, you. I'm crying, so I don't know. Let me up, I know, and I'm in the dinner. That be. I didn't was in the house. I know the other. I'm the open. Oh, Massa, me will what I say, me do it. A baby, I'm not majority. Hey, Charlie. What's up, sir? Sad woman, you. And still, I'm a jewelry. Give it. Hey, Charlie. Nice. So you go feel quite yada. Hey, I need for me. If I'm something, I mean, this I say, what I mean, A deeper feeling. Charlie, 2 more, maybe back, I'm leaving up in me as a. Hey, what's the matter? Hey. Ha! One step. Hey! Tubasi, mami, tubasi, mana? Hey!